this video, I'll guide you on how can you fix Wi-Fi not working on Samsung Galaxy phone. If you want to fix Wi-Fi not working on Samsung Galaxy phone, then what you can do is, first of all, head over to the settings. While you're on the settings, you want to go to network and internet, and here you want to make sure to go ahead and click on internet. Now over here, you just want to go ahead and make sure to select the particular network that you're connected to. Try disconnecting it first of all, whether the issue fixes or not. You could also try checking with your friends or maybe a family member, see whether it's working on other devices or not. If it seems that the other device are also having an issue, that means it's not the device but then the Wi-Fi that's actually an issue. So you could actually try restarting the router. That should be able to fix it as well. So basically what you want to do is you want to go to the network and internet. You click on the three or just go to the gear icon, and then you want to go to advanced settings. So you could actually go ahead and click on the advanced settings option and see whether you have any of these apps that's restricting you when connecting or causing an issue. So similarly, what else you could also do is you could also try restarting your device. Start your device, what you could do is just hold on to your side buttons, and then you could actually find this restart button right over here. You could just go ahead and press that, and that should be able to fix it so as well. So once again, come back to the settings, and then on the search box you want to type in a reset, and once you go to reset, here you want to go ahead and click on reset options. Then you want to go ahead and click on reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and click on the reset button. This should be able to fix it. So these are some of the ways to fix Wi-Fi not working on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.